Moana stood on the deck of her boat, gazing into the vastness of the ocean. The sun was high in the sky, casting a shimmering glow over the water. She was on a mission, one bestowed upon her by the spirits of the ocean. Her destination was a sunken island, mysterious and elusive, that held the secrets to balance the world's natural harmony. After days of sailing, Moana finally arrived at the coordinates she had been given. The water here was different, dark, foreboding, yet seemed to pulse with energy. With the ocean as her ally, Moana dived below, determined to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the waves. As she descended, the vibrant colors of coral and the awe-inspiring beauty of marine life enveloped her. On the ocean floor, Moana discovered remnants of an ancient civilization. There were stone structures, covered in sea anemones and vibrant algae, signs of what once was a thriving community. Among the ruins, she found a sacred relic, a luminescent stone. It pulsed gently in her hands, resonating with an energy that was both intense and serene. Moana returned to the surface and placed the stone in a special chamber on her boat. Suddenly, the winds shifted, and the waves began to gently push the boat towards the horizon. The ocean, grateful for Moana's efforts, guided her to the next step of her journey. As the boat sailed, Moana noticed the waters begin to swirl around her. The ocean was alive, responding to the presence of the relic. She heard the voice of her ancestor, Tala, speaking through the winds. The heart of the island must be returned to its rightful place. Only then will it rise again. The swirling water brought Moana back to the island's submerged remains. She moved quickly, knowing the power she held was pivotal to restoring balance. With a sense of purpose, Moana placed the relic within the heart of the underwater temple. For a moment, everything was still. Then, the ground began to rumble as the island started to reemerge, rising slowly but surely from the ocean depths. The waters calmed, and the sun gleamed warmly on the newly surfaced land. Moana stood on the newly reclaimed island, feeling the warmth emanating from the earth beneath her. She understood that her journey was more than saving an island. It was a renewal of her bond with the ocean. It was a testament to the ancient connection between humanity and nature. With her mission complete, Moana set sail once more, knowing that the ocean had many more stories and adventures awaiting her. It was not just a victory, but a reminder that, as long as they work together, they can restore and preserve the world's beauty for generations to come.